automated starch processing system for modern dust-free food production facility. Our client is a large enterprise engaged in the production, sale, and online sales of food, as well as the production of food additives. The company needs to build a modern, dust-free, automated production workshop. Our company is responsible for its automated starch processing system. The system utilizes a combination of positive and negative pressure conveying methods, with a maximum conveying capacity of 5T/H and a maximum conveying height of approximately 27 meters. It mainly consists of the following 3 modules. 1. Starch feeding and storage metering system. After flour is fed through the ton bag feeding station, it is conveyed under positive pressure to 6 large tanks, and then, according to customer formula requirements, it is conveyed under negative pressure to 2 weighing tanks. 2. Constant temperature water treatment system. A 30 cubic meter large tank is used to store 90 degrees Celsius condensate water, which is conveyed to a heat exchanger and, through the action of the heat exchanger, generates constant temperature water at 45 degrees Celsius. 3. Slurry production storage conveying system. After flour is conveyed to 2 weighing tanks, it is gravity-fed to 2 mixing tanks, where it is mixed with 45 degrees Celsius condensate water and other materials to produce the slurry required by the customer. 4. Starch crushing, conveying, and storage system. Starch, after crushing and grinding, is conveyed to 2 buffer bins, passes through 2 screeners, and then is vertically discharged into 2 storage tanks. The entire system from Wijay uses PLC control, offers traceable data, and is easy to operate. This system ensures stable and efficient production, creating an environmentally friendly, dust-free workshop for the customer. Feel free to contact us for more information if needed.